Morning, guys. The weird stuff again here. And let me hold on a second. Blinded by light much. My hair is a mess. I just woke up, and my parents are calling for my dog. Yeah, he needs to go outside. And well, today is gonna be a daily vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot little clips throughout the day. I'm gonna do that because now I can finally do that because I have a freaking iPhone. Yeah. And my hair. Do you see my hair? It's like going orange. I don't like it. I don't like it. I want it to be red. Yeah. But I am going to the beach today with some friends. It's gonna be awesome. And so yeah, I'm gonna go get changed, and I'll see you when I get back. Hey guys, I'm sure you guys haven't mind my mess here. I was looking for a shirt that I couldn't find, and I still couldn't find it, which sort of made me like, Argh. But it's my stepdad, and so one of my favorite stores is Think Geek. I love it so much. It's like amazing. And it's not gonna do anything. It's bubbles. And well, anyways, I found my stepdad wants to say hi. He doesn't have a shirt on, and it's annoying. Yeah. And so I have the most coolest things ever. It's bubbles and catnip combined in one. And we're about to see my cat go crazy for it. So yeah, I need to find a place to put you guys. And the cool thing is that they don't pop and hit the ground either. Larry? Oh, that's a baby bubble. That's a baby bubble. Hi, Poopy. Hi. 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 No, come back. I can't see if I'm recording you. Say hi. Say hi, Ace. Can you please stop breathing over my neck, Tim? That is my mother. Say hi.
Hi, Charlie. I love you.
My mother's deaf and I'm sad.
Thanks.
You are burning up, man. You need to drink some water. You don't have any water, do you? I'm gonna get right on that.
Say hi.
Oh, my
Double vlog.
double vlogs.
Double vlogs all the way.
Blah blah blah. Copyright music. Blah 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 blah. You do not hear it. We are on our way to the beach. Yeah.
But
vlogging.
truth be told, I'm lying. Hi! Epic Fails here.
Yeah, Epic Fails, Hannah.
Epic Fails here.
And say hello.
I think I'm adding pistol on
Say hello.
Hello.
We're going
Hello.
to the beach.
Yeah.
Let's go to the beach. Each let's get away.
Yeah, so you saw me from playing for a little bit
Hi, Anna.
to.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
She's saying hi to both of you. Okay, say
Oh,
hi.
oh,
Everybody
awkward.
say hi to you now.
Vlogception.
Vlogception.
That's a cool
You're
word.
gonna have to watch both these videos so that you can see everything that's going on.
At the same time.
Yeah.
It's like the exact same video.
So yeah, we're heading to the beach, and we shall take another music video when we're there because we love doing music videos.
Yeah, we do.
Fun.
It's happening.
Yeah.
Oh,
And we might
I'll
shoot.
play the song for you that I want to do.
Okay. Yeah.
And
It's gonna be
we're
fun.
gonna be doing a
After, and you're showing my nose.
I know. I'm like,
down here. Okay, say now it's just your
We're doing
forehead.
after every after. Yeah. And I'm Ariel, of course, because
Obviously with the hair.
Yeah.
I missed you, Janet. It's been
I
too
miss
long.
you too. I know.
I want to be Belle, guys, like really bad.
So,
You would actually
You
make a
can
good
be
Belle.
Belle. You can be Belle.
You make a
you
good
be
Belle.
Belle. I'm gonna be. Who should I be?
Uh,
My hair like can't fit with anything, so you can't choose by my hair.
Am I the cameraman again?
Yes. Then you're.
I think.
Sophie should be Pocahontas.
I'll be.
But we don't have any fake blood.
I know.
That's okay.
Alright.
And I think.
Well, I don't know if
Yeah.
we're filming it today. We might not film it
We
today.
might just film the Ariel part because we're at a
We're at a
beach.
beach. Yeah. I guess I'll have to be. Who's left? I totally forget.
Jasmine.
Jasmine. I can be Jasmine.
Yeah.
It's fine with me. I actually really love that part.
And you know how we went to the Lilac Festival? The one- No, we didn't go to the
festival this year.
No,
I'm
we
upset
didn't.
about it.
Like, remember when we went to that little, like, secret, like,
Oh,
do you think
yeah,
we
yeah.
could shoot the Jasmine thing there?
We could.
Because you could be
Because it's
like,
in jail, yeah.
okay, but I'm slightly scared by. Yeah. Too much of a sneak peek for you guys.
Yeah, too much of sneak peek.
Oh,
We're
yeah,
not gonna
we're-
tell you anymore.
Yeah. But I'm gonna go and I shall see you at the beach. Bye. Hey guys.
this talk.
Everyone's talking. Yeah. That is an awesome towel.
Batman! Wait, are you vlogging?
Yes, I am.
Hi.
I'm here with a bunch of friends, and we are at the beach. I am
Vlogging.
Vlogging.
Oh my gosh, Mr. Bean's holiday to the beach.
I like Sophie's towel too.
So
This is very close.
don't look at me. Let's go to the beach. Let's go your way. Yeah, you said
what they're gonna say. Yeah, but we're all just hanging out at the beach with my red hair.
That was a lot.
My hair looks really red out here.
It does. I feel so close to you. Yeah. We're sing that.
That guy's ribcage really sticks out.
Oh, Stephanie's
It's so
butt.
weird. You see that guy's ribcage over there?
Where?
It's okay.
It's to the left.
Oh, that is awkward.
That is really awkward.
Hi.
Yes, that's what we're talking about.
No, the guy's ribcage. It's so like
Awkward.
bam.
That ribcage is so like bad.
Yeah. So
I'm not talking about it, actually. I was talking about the tent.
yeah.
See the tent thing?
Yeah, I see that.
Look at it for a second. I'm like, screw you guys. Made
It's weird.
Screw you guys about a tent to the beach. It's cute.
It's cute but weird.
I like that. Sophie, we're all talking about
Yeah.
it, guys. Who's like, oh, that tent?
Allison.
Oh my god.
Hi. I turned my brightness all the way up just so I could see myself, and I can barely see myself. And the awkward moment, Sophie, the awkward moment when I'm painting my nails last night and I forget to do the other hand.
Are you?
Like I painted this hand red,
Yes.
and then
I'm doing
nothing on here.
I really don't care what I'm part of your world. I just tell them.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
yeah, it's the new fashion
And
sense.
for my
Yeah, but
I could never
we're
do
at the
that.
beach,
Too much of
and
like
I shall tell
I
you
look at
later.
like
Hello guys. I just sand in my mouth. How'd that happen?
you have a large sand tail.
Yeah. We just got done shooting my part in After Every After, where I played Ariel, of course. I still have
Prince Ali.
She's playing Jasmine. Shut up, Jasmine.
Okay.
I'm over here.
She's playing Belle. Oh, my hair blocked you.
No.
Oh, and I am standing up on a bench because I was trying to get service, and I'm just too lazy to get
I'm
back
standing on
down.
a bench too now.
You know what?
So
you feel
lots of
tall.
spiders in the ceiling, right?
Yeah.
How would you tell me this?
Oh my god, and I have to show you guys something that like scared Allison and Hannah. And it scared me too.
All your viewers.
It's fake, just saying. So we were walking, and there's a lot of spider webs like everywhere and stuff.
Watch it be
And then
gone. I would cry.
yeah.
There's a spider right there.
Run away!
There's a spider. There's a spider, and you just walk past it. I don't like spiders, but my hair looks pink in the sun. It really isn't though.
Wait, okay. Do
It
you
looks
think
better when
this
it's
is
wet.
what I was wearing earlier?
Yeah, I think that'll look fine.
That'll look good, yeah. Hi, it's Epic Fails here. And
Wow, way to start recording when I'm recording. Copier.
I am a copier, I am. Okay, so
I'm gonna put makeup on real quick, okay?
alright. So we're filming a After Ever After cover parody thing, I guess I'd say. If you haven't
My
seen it-
idea, but it's going up in.
Yes, we're still
Whose channel is it going up on? Yours? Cause
Mine.
oh yeah, it was my idea though. So
Yeah, I'll like
I feel like we
Family.
should both. Like I feel like we should do like the behind the scenes on my channel.
yeah, we'll do behind the scenes of yours, so they
And-
have to go to see yours.
Double vlogging.
And we have a lot because we took forever to find this one
Yeah.
line. My hair looks like shit.
Your hair looks adorable. I love her hair. I'm getting my dad off on. It's official. As I told you my last
Now
time,
it
I
looks
was thinking
better.
About it, but
How
now
is
it's
this? I
official.
flip my hair and it looks better.
Dad's hot. But seriously,
In this angle, it looks better. Totally.
Hi.
hi.
My space
So
shot.
yeah, I'm gonna continue filming that now. I'm playing Jasmine.
Who do you think she's playing? I don't know. The red hair kind of gives it away.
Yeah, she's playing Ariel. This is.
My bathing suit's really tight. It's hurting.
And
I'm walking away because I do not know them. I do, but
Changed currently is going to be playing
Pocahontas.
and so she's
I
gonna
answered
be
her
our
question.
right now.
What's over here? Let's see what's over here. It's scary. It's scary, guys. Oh my god. Oh, the ground is wet.
Spiders over here, but this is probably where we're gonna film my scene. Yeah, it's creepy. Because it's creepy and it looks like good for the. Please it's kind of like a beat
Yeah.
down.
But yeah. So I'm enjoying my day at the beach so far. It's pretty interesting there. Random stuff.
What? Blue flies everywhere. Make me want to cry.
I'm just gonna run away because that's
This
really
is
terrifying.
a creepy place. We're probably gonna film this.
Yeah.
I've got an adorable.
She's talking in the background
Dammit
about stuff.
such-
And you're giving too much away, Allison.
What?
You're giving too much away.
I just want to know that. Okay, I won't tell them anymore. But I'm gonna end this here.
Oh,
And I'm gonna tell you guys that you're awesome. Thank you
look,
for
my
watching.
nails match my hair.
Yes, they do.
My nails match my hair.
That's awesome. This video matches to the bathrooms. Hi, friend. There's still a video recording. Okay.
Yeah. Hello. Say hi. Yeah. Friends. Anyways, I shall talk to you guys later when we're walking down the beach. Oh, cool, like, oh, I don't know. Yeah. So. No, fail. Fail.
What?
Fail. Fail. Stop. Hey guys. Wow, way to Ow. So, we're walking down the beach. I'm wearing a cover up.
Do you want to practice it though? Wait till she's done filming.
No, you can go.
Alright,
Okay.
ready? Is that revealing too much?
No.
Oh,
We're practicing. We're going to go shoot Jasmine's scene. And yeah, it's pretty fun. I'm the bag carrier at the moment. I look like I'm a goth right now because I'm wearing like black. And my hair's red, but I'm not. I'm far from a goth, which Rachel knows. Do you want to come in my video?
I look weird.
No one cares. I look terrible. You look pretty.
I feel awkward.
I look like shit.
No, you don't.
I know.
Hello, people of the world.
Yeah. But so as we're on our walk, I guess I'll do some shout outs to some people that I really want to give some shout outs to.
And I'll just walk here like
Yeah.
a random extra.
Yeah. So first a shout out to Chris. It's awesome. And are you really?
No, I'm not. I don't know how to work this.
I always get interrupted. But shout out to Chris, who's amazing and wonderful. Oh, what?
See Chris, I'm saying hi.
Oh, I'm not talking to him.
Oh, you said shout out to Chris.
Yeah, shout out to
Yeah,
Chris.
I want to say hi in the video. I want to say hi.
There's something on my forehead. What's on my forehead?
Little like dot. Sand.
There you go.
Ow!
It's all good.
Hi. Your friend.
Hi, Chris. I don't know you, but hi.
Yeah.
You better be treating her right.
Yeah, you don't mess with my girl.
Don't you be messing with my girl.
quiet, guys. And so, yeah. And then also shout out to Epic Fails, who's right in front of me. She's walking. Yeah. Shout out to her. She's my bestie. I love her. She's amazing. She's an amazing singer. She's going to Disney without me, which is sad. She's abandoning me. There's bikers going by. And shout out to Lone Wolf Gaming Noob, who's amazing. And like, I love you, dude. You're awesome. And you always make me laugh and stuff. And you're a good jar. And then another shout out to Zach and Punk Rockers. I forget what numbers are after that. And that's my shit! Ow! Ow! That hurt.
Are you okay? Sorry.
That hurt. She flat tired me.
Yeah.
That hurt.
Oh yeah.
Coming back to get you.
No, I like these shoes.
And even not, we can just go outside of it and it would look cool.
Yeah. I feel like Slinky belongs.
Yeah.
Like, hey, I'm okay, but I'm slightly scared.
Yeah, that would actually look really cool going outside of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so we're walking and having fun and oh yeah, back to my shout outs and also shout out to
Did you shout out to
yes, I already did. To Alice Recca 39, right? Yeah. And oh my game. Oh, and also Drake. And Kaiser. And yeah. Shout out to you guys. You guys are awesome. You're my friends. And yeah, mostly shout out to Chris and Epic Fails. Because you guys are amazing. And yeah. So this is gonna be the scene of Jasmine. I don't know. Oh, there we go. There's a slide over here and I really want to go down it. I'm gonna go run to that slide. Hold this. I'm gonna run to the slide. I don't. I'm going down the slide. That's why I'm running. Sorry if it's really bouncy, guys. I just really want to go down the slide because it's awesome. Okay, let's go. I just really hope it's not hot. It's in the shade. I'm climbing up this with one hand. It's very dangerous. Yes, it's in the shade. Whew. Whoa, guys. Oh my god, it's hot. Whew. Okay, that was fun. It was hot at like the very bottom. I have to go back to record Allison. Yeah. Why am I out of breath? Oh yeah, because I didn't take my inhaler medicine today. Yeah. I'm gonna go shoot Allison. And yeah. Bye. We are following a wild Rachel. She's going to climb a tree for the first time. She's going to climb a tree. Yeah. Here. Do you want help? Here, watch. Hold it. Yeah, I'll show you. Watch, here, I'll show you. Here.
I'm gonna videotape it for random clips.
But you're tall. I can't reach that.
You climbing a tree. This is not my underwear, guys. It's a bikini. It's all right.
We can't see it.
Yeah, I actually couldn't see anything. I could see your.
Oh, little shot there. Woo!
Yeah, but that's how you do it. Like a pro.
Well, I can't reach that.
Climb a shorter tree then.
Well, our shorter tree.
No, here, you don't need, you can just walk up closer. Step here.
I'm gonna get my shoes. Can I wear your shoes?
Yes.
No. He's like, no, and run away.
We're the same size feet. Ow, my butt hurts. I scraped my butt on
I
the
did
tree.
it this time, and I was like,
Is
yes.
my butt red?
Not really. Oh, a little bit. Only a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
this isn't
scraped it on.
working.
Here.
Pocahontas can't climb a
What
tree.
about that really low one down there?
Where?
Oh yeah, way down there. I see it.
I don't see. Oh!
Right, go.
Don't forget your shoes.
Yeah, let me get my own shoes.
I'm having my shoes back. This is what we do at beaches, guys.
Yeah.
Hi!
I know you. I don't know you. I probably don't. Who are you?
Who are you? I'm your best
Post it in
friend.
the comments below.
What is up with this table? Do you see this table?
You had one job.
You had one job. One freaking job.
Nope.
I'm wearing flip-flops.
Yeah, it's a bad idea. Hold this. Here.
Ready?
Hold this.
Guys.
I have to go.
Don't strip.
What the? No one wants to see that!
All my viewers want to see it. God.
Pocahontas doesn't want to see it. Just kidding.
Pocahontas can't
I
climb
saw it
a
all
tree,
day.
so you should be quiet.
You know what? Shh. I don't like heights.
I don't like heights, and I'm up in this tree.
I'm freaked out when I'm not on the ground. Like if I'm standing on a table.
Hey guys, so I'm back at home and I'm working on editing the video. And this is gonna be the last clip of the day. I would go to later, but I'm really tired. I need to edit this and get it out. And I hope you guys liked my beach adventure of the day. Yeah, it was fun to do. Fun to just hang out with friends. I'm exhausted for a minute. And I'm staring where it goes, my bikini and stuff. See, look, still wearing my bikini. Oh, well, what you gonna do? Ah. Anyways, love you guys. Peace out. Later. I can't do that. It never likes me. It makes me sad.